Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you are healthy, happy, and fine. Today's episode, we will talk about market news, entrepreneurship, business, and psychology. Now, let's start with market news. As follows, as always, we talk about Nifty 50, Bank Nifty, and Sensex. Followed by that, we can see Nifty 50 that is go towards positive direction, that is 18,117.50 rupees, with the increase marginal increment of 64.45 rupees at the percentage of 0.36% or 0.36%. Followed by that we can see Bank Nifty, which will go directly to straight towards 41,258.48 rupees with the decremental margin of 39.90 rupees, and it will show the down LA or down lay 0.10 percentage. Followed by that we see that Sensex, which increased the 60,950.36 rupees. Followed by that, yesterday it will go at the rate of 113 rupees as approx 113 to 114 rupees, followed by the increment of percentage, that is 0.19 percentage. Followed by that we can see top 5 gainer company in 100 Nifty 50 list. That's our Vedanta will increase 19.05 rupees increment with the incremental percentage of 6.29%. Followed by that Adani Enterprises, India's second conglomerates, which is already topmost high 3,833 rupees. The individual share price with the rate of 242.85 rupees for the incremental percentage of 6.76%. Followed by that we can say Hindalco Industries, that will increase 430 rupees with the incremental value of 20.20 rupees at the incremental percentage of 4.92%. Now, followed by Hindalco, we can see the next and last one, that is Bajaj Finance, that will increment 1,800.70 rupees, and the incremental rupees or the amount that increment is 77.2 rupees, followed by the percentage of 4.48%. Now, last and final one, that is Ambuja Cement, which will increase 558.60 rupees per share with the increment of 19.101 rupees with the incremental percentage of 3.54%. Market result, we will show that yesterday was Friday, and Friday closing will be Friday closing always go for Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So almost we can say that Friday closing will be only in cash market, and equity market will be increment, and future and option market will be deadly, or it will go for sideways or lower sideways. Followed by that we can say 15 week of gainers, that is SBI, that is State Bank of India, the all head of the bank, or state or head of the bank, that is SBI. The share price of SBI is 593.995 with the incremental rupees, that is 9.05 rupees. Followed by that it will go the percentage of 1.55 rupees or 1.55 rupees with the incremental percentage of 0.1 or 0.5%. Followed by that we can say market individually, stock market will be listed, and the Nifty 50 company have the opportunity or the potential that if it will regularly maintain and it will be regulated properly, certainly individually, and growth oriented mindset, definitely this company have possibility that it will hit $1 trillion economy, and it will connect all those factors which are responsible for the feeding, or it will act as a nodal industry of Indian development and Indian growth potential mindset. Followed by that we can say like TCS, HDFC, Reliance Industries, Adani, SBI, ICICI. Followed by these all Nifty 50 companies, they have a huge potential and they can nurture and they can support the growth of India, which is a genuine and it's a responsible activity, or it's a responsible of all these FMCG or all these brands which have led their market with another level. In another way, we can say these are the company which have a huge futuristic possibility that it can lead the growth of India from Industrial Revolution 4.0 or Industrial Revolution 5.0. Followed by that, we can see. Followed by that, we come to see the segment of entrepreneurship and tech. As we know that India is being blessed by the world largest incubator and tech platform. Followed by that, Byju's. Everybody know about Byju's, the learning app, which is being managed by Byju's Ravindran, Sir Byju's Ravindran, and Divya Gokulnath. Byju's Ravindran sir are the CEO, and Divya Gokulnath is a co-director in Byju's. Followed by that, Byju's operates in freemium model, and the revenue of Byju's are 2,228 crore. In the terms of dollar, we can say that $219 million in financial year 2021. And previous year, almost 2020-21, Byju's has acquired Akash, Topper, Whitehead Junior, Great Learning, and many more physical educational sports or educational institution, and submerge them and make it a subsidiary brand of Byju's. Followed by that, Byju's had in onboarding, there's almost 70 investors are there in on board. And first seed round will obtain from Arian Capital at the rate of $785 million. And almost we can say the Byju's is the India's most largest edtech platform, which is almost $22 billion valuation. And very soon, if it will go for IPO at the rate of $1 billion. Now, some investors, almost 70 investors are Byju's on board, like CZI, Chan Zuckerberg Initiatives, being managed by Meta, that is earlier Facebook, Meta CEO, that Mark Zuckerberg and Priscilla Chan Zuckerberg, they are being managed. The non-profit organization, that is CZI, and Sequoia Capital, Tencent, Sofina, Lightspeed Venture, IFC, Napster, General Atlantis, Meta Foundations, and Qatar Investment Funds. Followed by that, we can say earlier, 1 week before earlier, Byju's had layoff almost 5,000 people, and they had told that there is a internal audit, so we are not able to manage. And global world brand ambassador of Byju's is Lionel Messi, which is quite interesting. Followed by that, I'm 100% sure they are building a great product, and there is a deep mindset and there is a great vision towards the making Byju's learning app a greater invention for global world product. And I am honored to say that Byju's are the such a specific, unified and personalized, precise product. Among them, Lightspeed Venture, General Atlantis, and Chan Zuckerberg Initiative, which are US firm. They are the first time they had invested, and we can say it's a proud moment for Indian startup or Indian entrepreneur that they had take a risk and make a tech platform that's such a big level that everybody can come and they can learn from freemium model. First they can utilize that product beneficiency, and they can use and they can pay, which is the absolute nice and specific profitable ones. My best wishes to Byju's Ravindran sir, because yesterday I had saw the Raj Samani video. Among them, Byju's Ravindran sir had explained all the fact from mentoring to monitoring. Monitoring to mentoring, as a good father, as a good friend, as a good investors, and he had narrated and he had cleared all the base. to be honest, I can say Byju's is a specific product which is designed for global world and global world population and their specific brain. And the API is very, very smart. Yesterday, I saw the podcast between Raj Samani and Baiju Ravindran sir, which are fantastic and mind blowing. I become the fan. The way he had presented and narrated all the questions in form of fact, figure, and data, which is specific, mind blowing, and fantastic one. My best wishes to Baiju Ravindran sir and Divya Gokulnath ma'am that they had a mindset to their product to make a accessible for everyone, and they are doing great philanthropy as one of the best quotation line Sav Shiksha Abhiyan and right to education, and they are fulfilling the choices and niches of India's population of education, how they will build the product according to the mindset, and what is the best possible opportunity to nurture the Indian brain to make it local to global. All the best to Team Byju's and Divya Gokulnath ma'am and Baiju Ravindran sir. Now we come to the entrepreneurship part. Previous year in 2021, 20 or 21st of the December, Shark Tank India, which is being released by Sony Live, and the Shark was like Asneer Grover, the Dogla Puni star, Piyush Bansal, my favorite, Vinita Singh, Sugar Cosmetics, and Pharma MQ's chief, Gajal Alag, and Sadi.com founders. Followed by that, one of the favorite shark, that is from Sadi.com, that is Anupam Ji Mittal, and one of the stylish icon of Shark Tank India, that is Aman Gupta from Boat, hashtag हम भी बना लेंगे, hashtag हम भी बना लेंगे. This time, Asneer Grover was not present in Shark Tank trailer, and one of the CEO, that is Amit Jain, I saw a video from Cars Dekho. He's the CEO of Cars Dekho, and he had make a good and fantastic business from Cars Dekho. It's a profitable business and profitable ventures. Literally, I'm very, very profound about how Indian mindset had changed to see the Shark Tank India, and from how he had managed and leveraged the business, and again the mass class and D2C, which is the needs and greeds of India. And I am 100% sure that this time Shark will invest more and more and making more and more D2C brand. One of the best things that I had read that Mamaearth, that Chief Mama Gajal Alag, his brand, that Honsa Private Limited, they had profitable in Mamaearth become profitable in financial year 2021, and very soon they'll go for IPO. My best wishes to Varun Alag and Gajal Alag ma'am, that they are building some best specific product that is preservative free, chemical free, and parabens free. Now we come to the parts of business and psychology. Followed by that, we can come to the point of business and psychology and mindset. As we know that 2 years before, when COVID-19 happens and China and Galwan incidents happens in India, we are facing a lots of issue during border clash, and our army and Jawans are being a huge tussle and clash between India and China. For that concerning matter, government of India had decided that in India is on the path that it become the leading defense and India is on the path that India become the leading defense equipment manufacturer in the global market, with the help of their supporting a neighboring country which are super and superior. They have defense budget and defense system. Followed by that, government of India will invest total $100 billion investment. Likewise, I am telling that almost it's a I'm narrating in the way that you can connect very easily. Like टोटल 8 लाख करोड़ का खर्चा गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया करेगी आने वाले 7 साल के लिए. क्या आप जानते हैं 8 लाख करोड़ इट्स ऑलमोस्ट $100 बिलियन, जो कि इंडिया का एक डिफेंस बजट है. आई एम होप श्योर कि पूरी दुनिया में 216 देश हैं और 216 देशों में लगभग 70 से 75 देशों का जो टोटल जीडीपी है वो $100 बिलियन से कम है. Being such an amazing and mindset towards manufacturing and research and develop oriented mindset of our government of India will invest almost $100 billion, more than $100 billion in manufacturing, in research and defense. Or I am sure that it will a exponential growth and it will a exponential turmoil that we can be the global manufacturer and supplier to the global market, and we can make our defense systems from Rafale, MiG-32 and Akash, different missiles and different artillery, heavy vehicles and lighter vehicles. Now we can come to the conclusion that there is a mindset that we can say that कि अपन को डेवलप बनना है, अपने को बेहतर बनाना है, और this is the best time that we can focus on Rania 53 in the terms of from 0 to 1, from horizontal to vertical, from Kashmir to Kanyakumari, and from Ran of Kutch to Arunachal Pradesh. We can collectively say that this is the time that we can build for India, build for world. And now it's time that we will manufacturing what the possible things we will manufacturing in India. And India is the global hub spots for the global investment and global market. So what the best possibility we will make in India that will available in global market. And this is the initiatives, and it's a huge thanks and mindset towards the people led by government that Digital India, Make in India followed by Made in India, and different manufacturing supporting scheme like PLI, Gati Shakti, and different institution which will support the India to make a third global superpower country. And I'm being proud of to say that कि मेरा भारत महान और हम उस रास्ते पे चल रहे हैं. And we have a lots of young population that we can control with the skill set mindset, and which is the mindset that we can connect easily, available and affordability, that we can make our students or young generation and young population, almost 40 to 45% young population in India, which are skillful. And we have to make it more skills, skill oriented persons, which is the future. And पर्सनली मेरे को लगता है कि हिंदुस्तान का भविष्य हिंदुस्तान के युवा है, और हिंदुस्तान के युवाओं को वी हैव टू लर्न मोर एंड वी हैव टू फोकस मोर एंड मोर टुवर्ड्स दैट सर्वे भवंतु सुखिना, द कॉन्सेप्ट वी हैव टू अडॉप्ट, एंड वी विल मेक इट दैट कि अपने आप को बेहतर बनाना है. वी आर द कॉन्सेप्ट दैट अखंड भारत, एंड अपने को वी शुड लेट द चॉइस एंड वी शुड मेक इट दैट वी विल लेवरेज द थिंग्स and the terms of education, mindset, psychology, business and research and development. Like it's a common term, we will say in Hindi, शिक्षा, सुरक्षा और मातृभूमि. One of the best line that our government or our honorable prime minister sir had tell, मन समर्पित, तन समर्पित और यह जीवन समर्पित, चाहता हूँ देश की धरती तुझे कुछ और भी दूँ. Followed by that, I am ending my point. Have a great day. If you like my video, please subscribe, hit and do maximum comment, and thank you. Have a great day. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.